This is day 14 of 30 days of painting every day. Today we're doing another painting, and we're going to do this gorgeous vertical long format. I think that it's absolutely going to be stunning. So we're wetting up our paints, we're getting them nice and juicy, and we're taping our paper down onto the table. So here, going into our cerulean blue, we're just going to go for it. We're just going to paint today. Another landscape. Here we go. We're going to go into some beautiful clouds. And with the cerulean blue, we're going to make them pop. You'll see that I sprayed the page. So here we are, just adding in this cerulean blue straight from the pan. The paint is already juicy, so I'm just going to let it do its thing. Adding in the darks where I feel fit. And there we go. I'm going to let it blend and let it space itself out. I'm just working very free here. As I move on through these 30 days of painting, and I'm nearly halfway, I almost can't believe I've made this many days in a row painting, and this many videos in a row as well. I want to thank you so much for watching. Everyone that has been watching these videos every day, it's amazing to see you here. I hope that you are getting artistic inspiration from these paintings and that it is helping you on a daily practice to painting. Painting these pictures is bringing me so much joy, and it's helping me reconnect with my creativity. And I hope that it does the same for you. It's at a stage now where I look forward to coming and doing my painting every day, and where I want to do it. It's no longer that much of a struggle, but it's getting easier, and I can feel the flow starting more and more. It's almost like the ideas come faster, my hand is already warmed up, and it feels a lot more free to just go into the page and just paint. At this point in the painting, I'm just messing around with the sky, blending it out. I'm trying to leave as much white as I can and then show some definition in the darks with this blue that I'm using. And I've also mixed up a darker blue with a phthalo blue green shade. So I'm using the phthalo blue green shade and the cerulean blue for this. And I love the definition. I love how it transformed the painting. But onto the landscape now. For this landscape, we're going to keep it super loose. I have a little bit of an orange horizon line, and I'm going in with green. This is a Perylene green from Schminker, and also another bit of a green that I've mixed up with a yellow and a blue. So we're just going to keep it loose here. So here's a trick. If you want to get a straight horizon line, because at this point I was struggling, grab a ruler and hold it up to the page, and then you'll get a line that you can trace on. And it will get you a nice straight horizon line. I wanted something super sharp here, and I didn't want to add tape to my picture, so I just used the ruler, and it worked out really great. I kept the landscape part quite simple, and I just dropped in some green here and there, darkening up some areas and keeping it more light in the foreground. It worked out really beautiful. So here we go. We remove the tape and it's done. What do you think? Thank you for watching my video. Tomorrow we're on day 15. We are officially halfway through this challenge. It feels amazing, and I'm definitely going to keep on going. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.